शायद क्योंकि हमने 50 दिन कंटिन्यूसली ये शो शूट किया, देयर वाज दिस मे बी द 35th or the 40th day, and I really felt the stress of holding a business together, and I think I had a meltdown, and I just saw myself crying.
There's suddenly nothing happening, then suddenly, you know, you're out of sight, out of mind, and you're considered not so relevant anymore. But I feel like I've kind of reached that stage where I've made my peace with it.
What is the space of female friendships in your life? Yeah, I want to
Best
know what
friends.
the WhatsApp groups are called.
But more than WhatsApp groups, no, we do video calls.
Oh.
So like there'll be like 5 people on the call.
Group call.
Yeah, we do a group call.
That's fun. And
This is not a lesbian show.
Once did propose to my best friend to do business with her, but she rejected.
Oh, shit. आप अच्छे घर की स्मार्ट लेडीज हैं, आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए.
I've heard that many times when I was growing up to becoming an actor.
And not, you know, voice myself because I was this shy, timid
Yeah.
type.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, screw that.
Two girls, a business, and a show that you're going to binge watch. 12th of September, you're going to watch Do You Want a Partner on Amazon Prime Video. I'm Rotox, and on Just Too Filmy, I have both the girls with me, Tamanna and Diana. Hi.
Hello.
How's it going, girls?
It's great now that you're here.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited. Okay, listen.
Brought some life to this party.
Thank you. Thank you. My first question has to be that, first of all, let's celebrate that it's two women headlining a show. Like, come on. Like, yeah. Okay. About that. Okay. That is itself a win, right?
Yeah.
But I want to ask both of you, when you read the script individually, was the first question in your head, who's playing Shakes and who's playing Mac?
I already knew who was playing Shakes because Shakes was on from the very beginning.
Acha.
Mac came on right at the end.
Acha. Acha.
They had to think many times before they were like, okay, let's take this girl.
No. Actually, it's when we knew that Dinah's going to be playing Anita, I think everyone unanimously felt like there's nobody else who can do this better. And to prove us right, when I saw the entire show, the first thing I noticed is that people are going to love the fact that it's showing female friendships in a very real light.
It really is, yes.
You know, in a very like today's how women friendships actually are versus many a times how it's portrayed to be.
You know, but I have this observation about Diana, and you should also help me here,
Yeah.
which is that,
Oh, dear.
ma'am, you saunter in and out as you please in the movies. I want to know what your relationship with fame is, because you're part of these iconic films. You know, you do a cocktail, you do a Chava, which is this year's, you know, biggest success. Congratulations. And now, of course, you're part of Do You Want a Partner? What is the relationship that you share with fame? Because I have a feeling that you do something and then you go back into this portal of yours. Where you're
I
happy.
love listening to all these various interpretations of my life.
Yes, so why don't
And
you
my
tell us the
thought
truth?
process. I love it.
So tell us the truth. Like, do you not have fun hanging with us the rest of the year?
Guys, I mean, honestly, okay. The truth is that I really want to feel what I'm doing. It's honestly just that. It's as simple as that. And it sounds really simplistic, but it's true. So for me, when I read, and I read a bunch of stuff, but I have this way of being able to instantly know, like within the first 15 minutes of reading, I'll get a sense or whether this is something that I'm enjoying or it's something that I'm invested in. It's something that I'm finding riveting and I want to know more about. And only then I want to continue, and only then I want to be part of I don't know, that's just me. It's a personal thing, and I feel like unless I'm fully invested in it, it's not fair for everybody for me to just do a film or a show or whatever you want to call it, a project, if I'm not feeling it 100%, because then I'm wasting other people's time and my own.
Yeah.
Right? So,
So true.
it's out of respect also, you know. So I wait to feel it 100%, and if I'm not, then I'd rather let it go.
So then what are you doing at that time? We want
I'm
to
doing
know
lots
that.
of things, don't worry.
Say no. Tell us, because you know, this is a trap. The trap is this, that if you're not, you know, out there,
Yeah.
then
I know, and I completely agree with you. And it's tough to balance that out, because I feel it. I feel that, you know, when there's suddenly nothing happening, then suddenly, you know, you're out of sight, out of mind, and you're considered not so relevant anymore. But I feel like I've kind of reached that stage where I've made my peace with it, but I still want to be happy with what I do. And don't get me wrong, that does not mean I don't want. I love what I do, and as I do it more, I love it more, and I want to do it more, and I'm dying to do, like, I sink my teeth into, especially after this show, for example. It's the first time I've tasted OTT blood, so to say.
Yeah.
It's my first
yeah.
series, and it was just such a, and it was an incredible experience.
Yeah.
As an actor, as a performer, as an art form, it's just something that I got to really, this is the most I've probably been on screen in my entire career. Maybe Cocktail to a certain extent, but there was such a different character. And so I feel like this is the most I've gotten to play with a character and just be there and do my thing, and had the opportunity to just grow. On that set, I think I grew.
That's
you know?
amazing. That's amazing. Of course.
Yeah. So I want to do it, and I want to do it more and more and more. But it's just that, yeah. Hopefully,
yeah,
hopefully
of
the
course.
stars will align, and
Oh.
I'll get.
Also, this
more to do.
interview will help.
Thanks.
I have to ask you, Tamanna, you are your own genre. Okay, people love watching you. Okay, they can't take their eyes off you. You're a great performer, but I want to ask you, what does this show actually mean to you in the trajectory of your career?
Yeah.
Like, what does it really mean to you?
It's definitely been the most creatively validating and satisfying experience for me, because I think for the first time I got a chance to be a part of the prep of what we actually shot.
Okay.
So while the mota shell of the script was ready, I got the opportunity to spend time with Archit and the writers to actually build on what Shikha will be, and that's why for me this experience is so unique and so different than anything else. And I think I have personally never experienced this before, and I think your interview is the first interview I'm kind of admitting it. But you know, when actors would say that, you know, I started to feel like the character, I started to behave like the character, ये मेरे साथ पहले कभी हुआ नहीं था.
Oh, wow.
एंड शायद क्योंकि हमने 50 दिन कंटिन्यूसली ये शो शूट किया, देयर वॉज दिस मे बी द 35th or the 40th day where I really you know, I had a day off in the middle, and I really felt the stress of holding a business together, and I think I had a meltdown, and I just saw myself crying, and I was like, why am I bawling? And I was like, wow, this character started to feel like a real person to me. And it's never happened
Suddenly
to
it
me
mattered.
before. It
Yeah.
mattered. I felt like as if Shikha didn't make it, I wouldn't make it.
Wow.
So this was the first time in my career it's happened to me. So that's what it means to me in my career. And it also opened my mind to how today as actors, while we are the face of something, somewhere we also hold the responsibility of what is going in it. While we might not always have control over it, like this entire setup, be it Prime Video, from Nikhil Madhok to, you know, Sahira, to the whole team at Prime Video, to Dharmatic, to Somen, Karan has been extremely supportive of the show. Everybody, Arshit, Colin, they were all giving me, Dinah, the space to do what we thought was good for the show. They trusted us with it.
Yeah.
And that doesn't happen every day.
Yeah.
And that really instills a lot of confidence in
Of
you as
course,
an actor.
yeah.
That,
In
know,
fact,
that
I
other
loved-
people are putting that confidence in you.
I remember the trailer launch, and you know, I happened to be right next to you on stage.
Yeah.
And I remember when you jokingly said कि हर बार ये पूछते हो मीडिया वाले कि
Yeah.
क्या दो नोक झोंक हुई, and I was like, we have really moved on from that idea.
Yeah.
And it's
So
so
true.
bloody refreshing.
It's refreshing.
And thank God for that, right? So I want to ask both of you, how do you really make friends with your co-star?
Yeah.
You know, because that's a pressure that you have to look like you have had a friendship
Yeah.
that's been for so long. So did you guys have any trust exercises? What did you do?
Yeah. I think we both as people are very, I think, non-confrontational people. We both
Okay.
like we are very
Yeah.
peace-loving. Both of us are very peace-loving. And we both actually gave each other a lot of space. And contrary to, like, we didn't have to like hang with each other all the time, or we didn't have to spend a lot of time with each other to make each other comfortable. actually the fact that we gave each other space and we shared silences is what actually made our bond stronger.
Yeah.
And
It's
you
very
know,
difficult
yeah.
to do that.
Yeah.
It is.
yeah.
It is actually harder to do that with people than it is to be ha 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 because
So
Chit chat,
everybody.
chit chat, little
true.
small talk is very easy to do. But
Correct,
to sit in silence and not feel awkward about it
Yeah.
is actually much harder, and that came very naturally to us. I think that was it benefited us a lot because we didn't have to try very hard.
But
So
we
we don't have to
also were
try to
there,
be
like,
best
I think she's a brilliant actor. And we were both just looking out and doing. I was playing Shikha to my full understanding. She was playing Anaita to her full understanding. And I feel like sometimes just us, you know, being guardians of our character and the show by overall, we were just doing that constantly.
For each other.
I
Yes,
think the
for each other.
honesty is what takes you through, and I think
Yeah.
both of us were very honest towards
To the
our
parts, yeah.
characters.
What is the space of female friendships in your life? I want to ask each of
Mine
you.
is fab.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is the
I
what
have
is
the
I want to
best
know what
friends.
the WhatsApp groups are called. I have a WhatsApp group with two of my friends, Bhakti and Kavita. It's called I Like Poor People Only. I'm making this full confession because I don't know how people are going to come at me, especially, you know. But anyway, yeah, but you know, it's our safe space.
Yeah.
We can say whatever we want.
Yeah.
What's the WhatsApp group called, ladies?
My one group is called something girlies. I can't remember the full name, but some girlies it's called.
Okay.
And I didn't keep this name.
Okay.
I think it's Mrinal. I think it is Mrinal. Mrinal made the group. So if I tell you the name, it's her fault.
Correct.
But I think I am at the best phase of my life where I am just having so much fun with the women in my life. I'm just like it's like therapy. It's just like going and ranting or being like, yeah, wow, wow. It's so much fun.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
so much fun.
I don't remember the names of groups because I mean some of them are so random.
Yes.
But the one that I do remember because it's probably one of the oldest groups is my college friends. There was a bunch of us, 5 girls. So there was a very large group of us in college. Okay, girls, boys mixed. We were in Xavier, so
Yeah.
it was like this huge group of 14 of us. But the girls from that group, we had our own little group.
Your own little
so the
group.
boys used to call us the Chicklets. So we named the group Chicklets. So I mean, we're all now, everyone's all over the world doing their own thing with their own lives. But yeah, that's the one group that I remember the most.
That's amazing.
But more than WhatsApp groups, I like
Face-to-face
video calls.
hang.
No, we do video calls.
Oh.
So like there'll be like 5 people on the call.
Group call.
Yeah, we do a group call.
That's fun. That's
Uh,
always fun.
So I am that person. Like I enjoy that more than
Yeah.
chatting on a group.
Yeah, my danger is if I'm doing this interview, I'll go back and there's 80 to 100 messages.
Yeah, I cannot. I can't keep up with that. I'm
Yeah.
like, guys, don't do that with me. I'll never read your messages.
Rather, don't do that without me. How can you talk without me in the
Without
first
me.
place?
What were you talking anyway?
I thought, it'll be a fun thing to give the viewers an idea of what your show is like.
Yeah.
I picked some of my favorite lines from the show and I'm going to throw the line at you. Each
You're
of you-
expecting us to remember
No,
dialogues?
no.
Okay.
I've written them down for you. Listen, we're a gang. Don't worry. Same girl gang,
This is
right?
a year ago.
Don't
I
worry,
don't
don't
remember shit from
No,
yesterday.
so I'll give you the line from your show.
Yeah.
They've said it in the show. You're going to raise your hand if this is applicable to you in your real life.
Got it.
All right?
Yeah,
All
yeah,
the best.
sure. Okay.
It's called You and Who featuring Tamanna and Diana. The first line from the show. My biggest issue is I like men.
Oh, I said this. I remember now.
So
I
IRL,
would like to inform you that is true.
It is true. It is true.
all right.
I can speak on behalf of the both
Both
of
of
us.
us. And
This is
so-
not a lesbian show.
No, for sure. Also, I like men is fine, but the biggest issue is that I like men is excellent.
But I think all women at some point have felt like अगर उसकी best friend लड़का होती तो वो उससे शादी करती.
That's so true.
I don't know if you felt
I
that.
agree with
like,
you.
I always keep telling myself, तुम्हारा problem क्या था? Why did you become a girl? You should just be a man. No?
I agree with you completely. Business और friendship mix नहीं करना चाहिए.
You're quoting all my dialogues on you.
Yes, ma'am. But in real life, have you ever had a moment, you and who?
I don't think you should do business with friends or family.
I
But
actually feel
do.
you shouldn't.
You should. I don't think you should.
Okay, so should and shouldn't. You and me, we'll make the best partners. तेरी line, huh?
मेरी life.
Mm.
Yeah, I think your best friend. I actually once did propose to my best friend to do business with her, but she rejected.
Oh
So
shit.
I didn't do it with her.
What was the business? I really
It was
want-
makeup.
Oh
It was
wow.
makeup. She's a makeup artist.
Hmm.
So she rejected my proposal.
Billy.
Such is life. Billy, yeah.
Billy. Okay.
Wow, you know.
Yeah, not because I'm good at my research. I know Billy. That's
You know
why.
Billy.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Everyone knows Billy.
Yeah, she's famous, man. She's
famous.
also very
I
good
have
at
a
her
famous
job.
friend.
Yes.
I know that.
I love this one because for actors this is amazing. ये रोल मुझे मेरी स्माइल की वजह से मिली है ना.
Me.
Yeah, that's what you said in the show.
That's
but
what I said in the show,
IRL
No, yeah.
never happened.
I'd like to believe now. Let me feel good about myself.
Absolutely. But you've never had a time when you ever felt that they were not seeing more in you.
Yeah, of course, all the time.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the. Okay.
Let's be honest here.
Yeah.
you know. Yeah.
Thank you. आप अच्छे घर की स्मार्ट लेडीज हैं, आपको ये नहीं करना चाहिए.
I've heard that many times when I was growing up to
Yeah.
becoming an actor.
Yeah, no, but people say this a lot about people entering the industry.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
what did you say or what did you do?
Just the opposite.
All right. I love this one as well. पूरा system rigged है हमारे against.
It's true.
Yeah.
And what did you do about it?
I don't care.
Yeah. You're like, I'll
You
make
can't.
my own system.
Yeah, you can't. No, but
Find your
no.
own
Actually,
way.
that would be a little. What I mean to say is, I think even if the system is rigged, if you really want to change the system, you have to be in the system.
True.
So I was that person who's always in the system, and you have to become the change so that you see the change. So
correct.
that's what I truly feel is the only way to address that, because
Sure.
you can't stay out of the system and be like, oh, इसको बदलेंगे, इसको नहीं बदल
Correct.
सकते, आप हो ही नहीं system में.
बिल्कुल. कभी कभी एक बुली को हराने के लिए खुद बुली बनना पड़ता
This
है.
is an epic line.
Yeah,
loved it.
I didn't
Yeah,
realize
yeah.
it was so powerful
Yeah,
till
yeah,
I heard it
fully.
in the trailer, but it's quite real though.
Ever felt it?
Yeah, all the
yeah.
time.
All this is every day.
Yeah.
So everyday stuff.
Yeah, has to.
So cutthroat business.
Wow, girls! like you're just
I feel
giving
like
me
I'm
the,
making this
they're
more
giving me the
dramatic.
truth and they're not telling me the stories, which is fine.
No, I think too. When people bully you, I don't think just by bullying them you can get your way or you can get your point across. I have seen that nothing succeeds like success. So you need things to succeed. The moment things succeed, your bullies become your best friend.
For
You
me,
know?
I have to make sure
So
that I
you
don't
have to
get
just
bullied.
work. You have
Yeah.
to work to a point where they have no other option.
Yeah, fair enough.
For me, the important part is to make sure that I don't get walked all over. If you
Yeah.
know what I mean, because.
Yeah.
Like she said, I'm very non-confrontational. So
Yeah.
I tend to take a step back if somebody's being too pushy or, trying to bully me. That sounds very childish in this day and age. But
No, it exists. It doesn't matter
yeah,
how old we are. They always
yeah.
try.
so for me now, I've learned to put my foot down and not take it.
Wonderful.
Which maybe 10 years ago I didn't know how to do. So I would just back off or exit the situation or be quiet about it and not, voice myself because I was this shy, timid
Yeah.
type.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, screw that.
Good.
Yeah, finally, it's
fab.
taken me a long time to get there, but
Yeah.
I'll put my foot down in
I'm
the most
glad.
polite way because I'm not confrontational and I
Person,
generally, even if I'm trying to get my point across, I'll do it politely. I'm not rude. I can't get myself to being rude, but I will do it now, and that's something that I've learned, and it's very liberating.
I'm glad. We have to all find our language
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
It takes us a while. It's not one size fits all.
Yeah.
How do I respond to this versus how do we respond to this?
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
काम तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा, लेकिन you need to prioritize. So have you ever been said, because this is in context of the boyfriend saying this on the show to you,
Correct.
and I
Yeah.
feel like that's the worst thing, because
Yeah.
whenever we are doing well,
Yeah.
there's always this one dude who will be like, you need to prioritize. I'm like, I have prioritized. It's my job. I have done this all my life. That's why I'm single. Thanks everybody. It's working out well for me. So what about you?
But aren't you happy?
I am delighted.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. Of
So I feel like
course, of
life
course.
throws so many curveballs at you all the time, every day sometimes. that you have to find. Sometimes it's not somebody telling you to prioritize things. You have to do it for yourself. You know, life tells you to do it sometimes, because
Correct.
if there's so many things being thrown at you, you need to figure out what's important and what
Of
to take
course.
on take head on, and what not to, and what to put at the side, and what to just ignore, and that it's your prerogative at the end of the day.
Correct.
So I think this is an ongoing situation
yeah.
in everyday life.
You know, but explaining what
great that
priorities are.
It's great that we can laugh about it though.
I need 8 hours of sleep. That's my priority.
That's your priority.
I'm like, मुझे सोना है.
Yeah, same.
You know, I'm so glad that I'm getting to talk to the two of you. You all spent a significant amount of time with each other. And I also feel like the two of you are very different people.
Yes.
Even though there's a lot that the two of you are very aligned on.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's not like y'all are the same person at all.
No.
But somewhere I see like kuch to value match hai, okay,
Yeah.
which is why you could be friends in real life as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if I asked you before leaving, what is the one quality that you'd love to have of the other as more in you? What would that be? Like, what would you love of Diana's?
I think I would love her metabolism.
I love this is physical qualities. Yes.
Yes. I would just like her internal system, her intestines basically.
Her intestines.
Just got deep within.
Yeah, this is legit.
I like the pun, ma'am. I love it. Total Xavierite Banda is flying high right now. Well done.
Since
So
we're
her
going
insight.
physical here, I would like her eyes. Very pretty eyes she has.
I'm cancelling this question. You cannot say physical attributes.
Please be original. Say something else nice about me.
You're nice, Oni.
So I have to, I have to
like
fish
her.
for this.
No,
Can
no,
you
no.
believe my life?
No, I like her confidence. She's very comfortable in her own skin and confident, and I like that. She puts her foot down. I like the fact that she doesn't let anybody walk all over her.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's a
I
good
learned
thing.
from it on set. I was just like, wow, I should pick up a thing or two from this.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
we all must.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, the next time we meet, please थोड़े classes organize कर लीजिए और हम सब attend करेंगे.
मैं कौन? गुरुजी.
Yeah.
The Guruji Girl Gang. But
Guruji Girl Gang, yeah.
thank you so much. I'm very excited. Of course, as I said, Do You Want a Partner drops on the 12th of September.
Yes.
And you're going to watch the series. And the next time we meet, of course, we'll ask them, is there going to be a sequel? We'll
Archit sitting
find
right there. You can
Our
ask him.
director's here.
Oh,
Director,
hi.
Director G, is there going to be a
Hi, hi.
sequel?
Is there going to be a sequel? Just say yes.
I hope so.
I hope so. I hope so.
Politically correct answer.
On that note, thank you so much for
Thank
spending
you.
time with me.
Thank
I
you.
hope this was fun for you.
It was a lot of
Thank
fun.
you.
I woke up.
I woke up too.